Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We're at InfoComm 2025 talking to Jeff Volpe, who's the president of
the Americas for ViewSonic.
Americas ViewSonic. And so ViewSonic, obviously, booth in the background, a lot of LED in there, but your heritage is in desktop monitors all the way through LED. You do everything.
Right, yeah. This year has been a really fantastic year for us in terms of bringing our vision together finally. We've got a great ecosystem for our partners and for our end customers, from desktop to non-touch CD products to integrated interactive collaborative products to our big LEDs and projectors as well. This year we hit #1 in DLP projectors in Q1.
Congratulations.
#1 in mobile LFD, which we call our LED products, and #1 in IFP excluding China.
Yeah, you actually
that's
have a really,
all not monitors.
I know you actually have a really unique LED because it folds.
Yes.
And it folds beautifully. I mean, like, you can't even tell it's a foldable LED when it's open.
It is the most unique one. This is our third generation, third year of showing
138 inch, is that right?
138 inch, glue on board, really nice and protected. It also folds uniquely, so that when you fold it and you put it in the case, the LEDs are protected
protecting each
versus
other.
Folded outside, which seems to be something that I'm seeing at the show a lot. So it's our third gen.
Yeah.
So we've been around, we know what's going on. We've reinforced our movable base.
Yeah.
So it's all calibrated and synced so that it doesn't go up crooked.
Yeah.
All these little things that we've learned that have made part of this growth for us really successful.
Well, obviously, one of the questions that people want to know around here is about the tariffs. But I want to kind of ask that as a two-part question.
Sure.
First off, how are you feeling about 2025 and sort of your outlook of 2025, which I think is related to the tariffs?
Certainly this year, you would say we had some very tumultuous and questionable economic forecasts.
Sure.
And tariffs made us all have to sort of rethink how we were going to do business, where we were going to manufacture business, and there was a lot of questions on how this year was going to be with all this volatility and decision making.
Yeah.
As things have settled, as we've started to see tariffs become less of a magnified threat, we still have tariffs that are increasing costs a little bit for everybody, but what we've seen is the stock market react positively.
Yeah.
And I think what we would say today versus 3 months ago is that the outlook for economic strength is much better and much more positive than it was just 3 months ago.
I would agree.
Our ViewSonic has handled this in a manner where we've got a lot of inventory in the country
from prior to the tariffs.
From managing the anticipated tariff moves, and so we've got local inventory on all of our product categories. We're a US-based display distributor, right? So a display manufacturer. So unlike most of our competitors, we understand the ecosystem of North America. All of our software development that helps tie all of our hardware products together into various vignettes of education ecosystems, conference room ecosystems, desktop, larger venues for our projection products, all get tied together with all of our software. And now, why is that important? Our software's developed with our engineering team in Taipei. We own it, we manage it, it's secure, it's safe, and it's all housed in various servers here in the US for all of our customers so that they know that their products are protected, their intellectual property is protected, and as a result, we kind of offer a really nice profit opportunity for our Pro AV partners. Installation, they can sell more than just one product category into their customers and talk to one manufacturer at the same time. And we're really working hard on trying to build this sort of unique space that ViewSonic has in this AV space, which we never had before.
Yeah.
And then one last thing that I'll add before your next question is, there is such a exciting pent-up demand for installation right now because everybody, the end users, are buying a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
And one of the biggest complaints we're hearing is that there are not enough installers that are certified.
True.
So we're putting out an certification installation program in a month, which is going to allow us to have people do business, get their product installed in a timely manner so the end users aren't, giving them grief.
So you're inviting any integrator to become part of that?
Qualified ones, yes, absolutely. I mean, the LED products and certain kinds of configurations require training and
Yeah,
knowledge
yeah.
and that kind of stuff, right? So most of our Pro AV partners already have decided they're going to do installs or not.
Yeah.
And so we want to work with those that have decided they want to do installs.
Right, and they made the investment in the
Absolutely,
infrastructure.
yeah, and time.
So for you, how do you define success in the Pro AV industry?
Well, I would certainly say first and foremost as a business guy is growth.
Okay.
We're having fantastic growth. Our projectors grew in Q1 year over year 19% in the higher end products.
Wow.
Our market share is growing. But success really is long term. I've been with ViewSonic for 30 years, as many of my people have been, and we've been a channel company for the whole entire time. Having our partners have an opportunity to build their profits across multiple categories, open up new markets for them, and align with somebody who they trust is an important part of what I would value as success.
Okay. And then finally, what product are you most proud of in the booth today? Which one excites you the most?
We have. Oh, that's a tough question. Actually,
okay. You can give me two.
I was just about to answer the question, and I go, wait a minute. We've won a number of awards this year, recognized by many of the industry media, and we're very proud of that. Projection, LED, and software, and I think I would have to say probably my pride with our success is the combination of the various pillars that have won awards. Like when you win a software award as a hardware manufacturer, that's pretty exciting.
Yeah.
But I still love our foldable LED, 138 inch, and what it looks like, its features, how mechanically it's sound and durable. It's so exciting.
I would say it's my favorite product you make.
Yeah,
because
nice.
It's a big differentiator for you. It allows you to get in the door in a lot of places that see that as an interesting product and then sell other products.
Yep.
And you've made it where it can truly be portable anywhere. You can take it anywhere.
Yeah,
you can put it anywhere in a building.
I would probably pick that, but I'm really excited about the expansion of our custom LEDs as well. You can see our booth behind us. There's lots of LED going on. There's lots of screen going on.
From what pixel pitch to what pixel pitch?
1.2 is where we're starting.
Okay.
And then we get larger from there.
Okay.
Future, of course, is going to get down below one. But it's for us, we have a good variety of resolution, strength, clarity, brightness, all through our lineup. So this LED thing is really exciting for us, and I will tell you, I'm very proud of the share we're starting to build in Pro AV, which is my first comment about growth. So not only are we providing good partner programs, we're providing good opportunities for them to scale their business with us, which coming from the IT space, 5 years we've been pushing hard in this Pro AV space and had a lot of fun and a lot of success.
Congratulations. Of course, you can see we've shot individual videos on everything we talked about today, and you can see those at raypubs.com/InfoComm. Type in ViewSonic in the video search window. You could, of course, go to ViewSonic.com. Jeff, congratulations.
Gary, thank you.
I appreciate your support of our coverage here at the show, and everything you've done for the industry is noticeable.
My pleasure.
Congratulations there.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching, everyone.